Hello, and welcome to this video on downloading data from InfoAssist in Excel CSV format. This feature makes it easy to create a report and capture the data for use with any external program that utilizes comma-delimited data, including Microsoft Excel. With this feature, you can generate data extracts and pass your data between systems with ease. This feature introduces a new option on the Excel XLSX output file format list. Once you have selected this new option, Excel CSV, and data has been added to your report, simply click Run to generate a CSV output file. Just like with the other Excel output formats, the generated file will be passed to your browser and presented using the browser's standard download options. You can then open or work with the file in your local directory. The CSV file can be reviewed in any text editor. For example, we will open it in Notepad. Notice the header row with the field names and the comma-delimited data values. To learn more, visit the WebFocus 8205 knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.